Dundada, what up?
These niggas will sell their soul for some pussy. Trade on their motherfucking family. For nothing. At the end of the motherfucking day, nigga, we stepping. Walk your ass down.
Yeah, nigga. BossMan Cobi, nigga. Yeah. Fuck going on?
Big hype.
Why me pop it though? Yeah. You know a lot of goofy shit going on, homie. Paper standing too tall. You know what I'm saying? Way too many steppers for y'all bitch ass nigga. Yeah. You don't wanna see Baby G, how I go down with the stick? Yeah, you don't wanna see double O black, I hit a nigga with the switch. No Dundada step behind the boss like the Kappa band, bitch. Nigga steady hating on the team cause